do you realize that we are talking at what time of this new year? Yes, it is the end of the first week of 2021. Isn't this great? And are you wondering what special dosage forms I will be talking about today? No delays, let's dive into this weekend chat. Welcome all to Is Pharmacology Difficult podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Radhika Vijay, MBBS MD Pharmacology, and this is the audio hub to get the best, simplified, basic tips, strategies, methods, and lots of ideas to learn better, understand better, and make your concepts crystal clear. If you really find and if there's a question hovering in your minds, is pharmacology difficult? Lend me your ears for a while and let in the magic of knowledge. Something special in my Pandora's box. Well, we are going to halt the topic of solid dosage forms today. That's for sure. It's a good idea to light the verbal candle with discussions about pills. Let's imagine the pills. The shape, it is spherical, rounded, oval, and archaic shaped. They are small, tiny dosage forms of the drug powder mixed with sugary syrup or some sweetened material like honey, which makes it little sticky. They are meant for oral administration and they are available in quite a few colors. Mind it, they are not tablets. Well, that's the poetry about the pills. Let's roll and turn the topic coin. And what we get in our hands is neither heads nor tails, but capsules. Okay, when I say capsules, just imagine an elongated empty vessel, which is cylindrical in shape. It has no taste because it is made up of gelatin. And it is generally filled with powdered drug or sometimes liquid or jelly-like material too. It is also meant for oral administration. Quickly dissolves in stomach and absorbed in circulation. Solid or hard gelatin capsules and soft gel capsules, they are the two most well-known varieties. Other types to quote at this very moment are the enteric coated capsules and something what I want to tell you all is spansules. First, I want to narrate here a few examples. Tetracycline cap or capsule, chloramphenicol cap or capsule, amoxicillin cap or capsule. Now, some wonderful example of soft gelatin cap is vitamin E. I know you quickly recollect the sight, the feel, and the peculiar shape of this green, shiny, soft gel capsule. One good fact I want to tell you about now about the enteric coated caps that they dissolve not in the stomach but once they reach the ileum. Okay, it's the time to get into the details about the spansules. Actually, the spansules, they are also a type of extended release capsules. And I know they are so similar to the long tablets, but these are not tablets, these are capsules. Okay? Now, generally, one quick tip to identify spansules is to find some colored granules within these containers. And these colored granules, they are coated with different resin coatings. What is the purpose behind this? The purpose is to dissolve over a range of time periods or at different time intervals. Okay? Let's get to know some good apt examples. Isosorbide dinitrate, spansiol. Second one is the iron spansiol, which is along with the combination of folic acid famous as Fefol. And another example is dextroamphetamine spansiols, famous as dexedrine spansiols. With this, we finish with our solid dosage forms for the time being. Now, why do I say for the time being? Because in upcoming chapters and descriptions, I may tell you something new facts, some novel things about solid dosage forms only. So I just cannot say that we are actually finishing off with these. Every new thing adds up, and all the updates, they can pop up anytime in any of the chapters. So for the time being, we have finished with the solid dosage forms, and we are ready to start with another type, another form of the dosage. All set? Charged up? Okay, keep the energy level and the curiosity alive till I have my next conversation with you all in the next episode. Yes, we are calling it for today's episode. For all the updates and latest episodes of my podcast, please visit www.ispharmacologydifficult.com, where you can also sign up for a free monthly e-newsletter of mine. It actually contains a lot of updates about the medical sciences, drug information, and my podcast updates also. You can follow me on different social media handles like Twitter, Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. They all are with the same name, is Pharmacology Difficult. If you are listening for the first time, do follow me here, whatever platform you are consuming this episode. Stay tuned. Do rate and review on iTunes, Apple Podcast. Stay safe, stay happy, stay enlightened. Thank you.